Right there you are. You can start right there. You can search ease of access. Oh, it's there. Ease of access. It's in the right side. I can see that. Ease of access. Yes, there. So from that you can select mouse. You can select mouse, not mouse pointer. This is display, right? Just select mouse or just search mouse. Okay, there are under this mouse settings. So can you click on mouse again? So I just want to see. Yep. So multiple lines at a time. No. I just mouse and additional mouse options. Please go to additional mouse options. Okay. Then this additional mouse options, not pointers, point options will. So here you can change. So I'll teach this one also. Here you can change the pointer if you want, right? So you can change right mouse button and the left mouse button. You can use the pointer and you can use any pointer that you like. So it's schemes wali maru karan. Please change the schemes. Schemes wali maru karan. You can use the schemes here. Yes. From that, just select some other scheme. Maybe select this one. All right. Okay. This is another set of mouse pointers. Or you can use your own mouse pointer. You can download your own mouse pointer and use that. So that facility is there. Just use the black color one.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, several months ago, I have put a macOS cursor to my OS.
Yeah. So this is basically the black color one. Yeah. You can just see. Black color
No, sir, the macOS cursor is much more different than that.
Yeah, it's a little bit different, but this is quite similar to that. Just apply. Just apply and apply. That's all, right? Okay. Now you can see the cursor is black. And not only that, you can apply the point options like tails, pointer tail, point options are there. Second tab, point options, this one. There you can apply a pointer tail. Just tick on that and you will see a pointer tail. When you move the mouse pointer, others cannot see that basically, but you can see in your computer.
So I can see.
Right, okay. So others can see. If they do in this your computer, then you can see, right? Otherwise, no. Then, so those are the things that you can do in this additional settings. You can just apply and close if you want that, or you can cancel it if you don't want next time, right? Pointer speed, you can change. All these things can be done. And just click apply and click OK. Let's move to the. This is not what we expected, right? Just OK. This is not what we expected. Just search just search again mouse. You can see mouse ease to access mouse settings. Yeah. Okay, now you can see turn mouse keys. Yes, that is turn on mouse keys. And now it will ask use mouse keys when the num lock is on. Yes, okay. Show the mouse keys icon, the taskbar. Okay. Then right, point acceleration. Okay. Now you have turned on the mouse. Yes, you have turned on the mouse with keypad. You can control your mouse with the keypad. Now try to turn on the num lock. Please turn on the num lock. Num lock එක ඔබලා num lock තියෙනවද keyboard එකේ නැද්ද? නැත්තම් බෑ. Do you have num lock method in your keyboard?
Yes, sir, I have.
Right, then press num lock. Press num lock and try to move using these arrows in the num lock pad. It's moving, no? Now you can see it's moving. So this is what that option is. When you move to a right place, this is you are using now keyboard. to move, right? So if you move to the correct place, you can press enter. When you go to a place, you can press enter to change it. Change something or tick it or untick it. You can just press enter. Right? That is how you move your mouse pointer using the keyboard, numpad. Right, is anyone else want to try? Need help? Can do now. Is there
So I
anyone
got
else?
screen sharing.
Yeah, can you stop sharing? Then others also can take a chance, another one.
So
Yes.
thank you for interrupting me.
Okay. Anyone else need the chance to check that or try that? Okay, Rehansa. Right, others also please try this mouse keys. The Windows here, yeah. You just turn on the mouse key and do the Rehansa. You have this numpad, right? Numpad.
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you move the?
Sir.
Yeah. Can you move the arrows? Can you just press the arrow keys in the numpad? No.
Okay, sir.
Press the arrows in the numpad, so your mouse should be moving. Is it moving? Mouse එක move කරන්න එපා, arrows විතරක් press කරන්න. Numpad එකේ arrows, හරි. Is it moving? It seems
No,
mouse.
sir.
No. Oh yes. No.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
No. Oh yes.
No, sir.
ඔයා numpad එකේ arrows ද press කරන්නේ. The පැත්තක තියෙන arrow keys. Numpad එකේ අර keys 8 වල arrow එකක් තියෙනවා මං හිතන්නේ 2 වල arrow එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ 8 2 කියන numbers ද move කරන්නේ නැත්නම්
Moving. Sir, now it's moving.
right, that's what I say. So you are moving the arrow keys in the other place, right? So you have to move the numpad arrow keys. Right, this is how you control mouse using your keyboard, right? So by turning on the mouse keys in is to access place. Okay, you have that option. In case your mouse is not working, what you can do, you can create your own mouse or you can create temporary mouse using your keyboard. So that facility is there. Right, then after this, actually, so these keys we discussed, caps lock is just changing the capital and simple, we discussed that. Shift key, along with the keys, it's converted to the capitals, and if it is capital, it will convert to simple. That is easy to do. While typing, type කරන ගමන් මෙහෙම දැන් මේ simple letters type වෙන්නේ එක පාට capital ලකුණක් ඕන නම් shift එක press කරගෙන type කරන්න, then you will get the capitals. While pressing shift, you can type, you will get the capital. ඒ වගේම caps lock on කරන තියෙන වෙලාවක you are typing in the capital, you need a simple letter. Use the shift and type the capital letter, then it will change it to the simple letter. So both ways it works. Okay. And the next thing is a space bar, that is to keep spaces. If you need more spaces, tab. If you want to go to the next line, enter. And arrow keys backspace, yes, we learn. And using keyboard in a proper way. Right? So you can use the keyboard and you have to make sure your posture is correct. Posture is correct means your eye should be aligned with the monitor slightly, looking at this way. So small angle, like 5 degrees angle, small angle. So monitor is like, it's not perfectly 90 degrees, but there's again small angle. And this is the viewing angle for your eye, and your body posture should be like this. Your hand posture again, it's like this, right? So it should be touching your legs maybe, but not touching the your palm should not touch in the table. So this placing the keyboard in the right place. So it's very important, otherwise you will get different injuries when you lower. So not one day, එක දවසින් නෙවෙයි. When you use this with the wrong posture for a long time, you will get injuries. Right here, refrain from keeping the wrist or palm top of the table. Refrain. So that is not good. So you have to place the keyboard in the right place, and also, so you have to press keys softly. So I have seen some students, even some professionals, they try to press some keys very hard. For an example, enter key. When you finish a line, you will jump and press the enter key, but don't do that. Enter key is another key in the keyboard, similar to other keys. Right? Only thing is, maybe it's large, but don't press hard. Right? And maybe space bar, you put your entire energy to press this space bar. No need. That's a simple key. Just press it. Otherwise, your keyboard will also be damaged, and maybe you will get injured. Right? And then, so you need to rest, have a rest. Don't continuously use this. Have a rest. Time to time. Just relax, do some exercises. So that is required. So when using computer for a long time. And also, so it's better to type using both hands. So that is the advisable way. Actually, we have practiced this. We have practiced this in touch typing. And again, so I would like to remind you a special tool which you can use for touch typing. Just Google it. Google as typing study. There's a website, typingstudy.com. Please go to that and start typing. In the typingstudy.com, you can start typing. This is very good tool. Touch typing is where you don't see.
Sir,
Yes.
can you send this website from the chat section, sir, please?
Sent.
Thank you, sir.
Right. So touch typing is used where you are not going to look at your keyboard, but you are going to look at your monitor. Keyboard එක දිහා බලන්න, monitor එක දිහා බලාගෙන තමයි type කරන්න ඕන here. So you can see there are two special keys, that is F key and J key. F key එකෙත් පොඩි කෑල්ලක් තියෙනවා කට්ටක් වගේ. ඒ වගේම J එකෙත් තියෙනවා චූටි කෑල්ලක්. So if you close your eyes and touch this F key and J key, you can feel it. Unlike other keys, this J key, F key, you can feel it. So that is the feeling that you need. Keep the index fingers in F and J, then the other fingers respectively. And the little finger, A. Just type A using the little finger. You can see here, it's indicating A, space using the, then SS, next finger, DD, then index, FF. The next index in the right hand, JJ, KK, LL. Okay, so without looking at AS, DF again, JK again, JK again, then L, semicolon, semicolon. Without looking at the keyboard, just try to type by looking at the monitor. So that is a special talent. If you can practice this, practice harder, and if you can finish all these lessons, and then you can test the speed, and if your test speed is more than 25 WPM, yes, that is something to be happy. But for touch typing, right? Not looking and typing. Don't look at the keyboard while typing, because you know the keys. You will feel the keys. And this is the guidance given in your book. So index finger, you can use to type B here, this F. You can move F, G, R, T, all these keys. Try to move, keep index finger in F and try to move to all these keys. F to T, F to R, F to, and come back to F, right? F to T, F to R, F to G, F to B, and come back to F. F to V, come back to F. F to 4, come back to F. F to 5, come back to F. Likewise, try to move from F and come back to the F. Then the next index finger in the right hand, that is J. J to H, come back. J to Y, come back. J to U, J to N, J to M, J to 6, J to 7. Try to come back to the same place. So you have to come back to the same place and rest. That is where two special signs are there, special physical or tangible components are there in this F and J key. Understood how to do this? Or not? මේ J එකේ ඉඳන් J එකේ ඇඟිල්ලට දැනෙනවා. ඒ J එකේ ඉඳන් තමයි අනෙක් key වලට යන්න ඕන. J එකේ ඉඳන් H ට ගිහිල්ලා ආපහු J එකට එන්න. දැනෙන තැනට එන්න. ඇස් දෙක වහගෙන කරන්න. Close your eyes. Go F to H, come back to J, sorry, J to H, come back to J. J to Y, come back to J. J to U, come back to J. J to B, sorry, J to N, come back to J. J to M, come back to J. ගිහිල්ලා ආපහු එතනට මෙන්න. එහෙම ඇඟිල්ල පුරුදු කරගන්න. So please train your hand. Train your fingers. And then you can do the touch type without looking at the keyboard. Right? Then you can do the here. So they have colored. If you want, you can also use, these days no school, right? You can use your mother's costumes or mother's this way, what do you call, nail polishes and all, right? Cosmetics, all these things you can use and just color your fingers like this and just try that, right? So I was just joking, no need to use nail polishes, but you should know you can sticker easily. Use nail stickers and then try to navigate through the keyboard and try to type using touch type. It's a very important skill. And next day, so here typing tutor. So why this touch typing is important? A lot of benefits are given. So it will reduce the illness, increase the health. It's faster, easy and accurate. Time can be saved, physical. So it reduces the fatigue and different mental stresses and all. You can just enjoy typing, and it's very good for your future job, future career. So those are the important things, and these are some tools given for that. You can just go and download those tools and try with those tools also. I have also given a tool, right? You can use that tool, or you can use these tools given in your book. Okay, please remember the names of these tools, right? Type faster, rapid typing tutor, tip 10. Next day, so we are going to discuss about phonetics and Sinhala keyboard. We already discussed that, and Tamil keyboard we are going to discuss, and so that is the end of particular lesson. So next day we can finish this, and we will be starting our new lesson, but not next week, after finishing the workbook activities. Okay, then see you all in the next week. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good
Thank
night,
you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.